So today we're going to be doing an unboxing, which is something I haven't done in quite a while. So, this is not what we're going to be unboxing. This is the blue snowball. As you can see, but there's something different. This is a pop filter made by a company called Aokio, I think is its name. This is the blue snowball, which is going to have it boxed before. I'll just take this off like that. So there it is. You can kind of already see the product that we already reviewed. So this is a mesh filter. You can see the microphone there. So this reduces what do you call it? Puffiness in my voice, that is. So every time I do a voiceover or one of my gameplays, like the current gameplays I'm doing, which is Happy Wheels, so you'll probably see better quality, and of course this will be always on here, so it's cool. So this counts the device we are going to be reviewing today, and unboxing, that is. This is just cheap $8 Amazon thing, so if you want to pick this up, I will leave it in the description below, but that also applies to this. These are Logitech. They're speakers. Logitech 10 watt Z200. They are the Z200 speakers. So I, real quickly, will get up high and mind the propping. Just trying to get this right so you guys can see. And there, so I'm going to crank this down. I apologize, as I should have done this before I got started recording, but there. Z200. And I could add a little bit of light in here. I'll take off my clothes, it's on the chair. Alright. Let's add some light. So, Z200, 10 watt. Don't know if you can see. Speaker brand. Let me show you the side. Works on with any device with a headphone jack, 3.5mm input, including your television, computer, smartphone, tablet, and music player. These are in different languages, but the tech specifications is its total watts. RMS is 5 watts. 3.5mm input, number 2. So there are 2 inputs. There is only one headphone jack. There are controls like power, volume, and tone controls on the right speaker. Dimensions are 4.88 inches by 3.54 inches by 9.48 inches. And that's it. And then on this side, you can see the rest. I'll let you guys read that and mind the background noise. Okay. And there's the same thing, Z200, 10 watt, which I believe means there's 5 watts in both speakers, and it's Logitech. The other side, clear stereo sound with adjustable bass enriched for your music and movie experience, and in other languages, and a picture of the speaker. One of them, that is. So, it's time to unbox this. And my voice is deep because it's actually kind of late right now, so let's get this boxed and this is where I do my desk. It's kind of crowded and such, but there's the mic, and Legos, and other crap. Let's get this started. And this is as far as it can go, so. Alright. I can take this off, so. It's gonna pop out. I really wish that the, what do you call it? The flash would turn on, but this DSLR won't turn on the flash, which is a little disappointing, but oh well. I'm trying to make my own. That might work. You know what? I'll turn out the over. Just to save time, I'll just turn on the overhead. I kind of was going for a, what do you call it? I don't know. A darker theme, I guess. And that's going to tear off, but I guess I don't care, so. Let's open this. Alright, so, first of all, here we go. I'll zoom out, actually. Oh yeah, by the way, that's the chair that I have right now. At least the pamphlet for it, so. There. You can see that, so. I unbox, I see the first speaker. And then a pamphlet. And then get rid of this divider. I don't think they're connected. Figure this out. Can't tell if they're connected together or if they're just a little confusing. Okay. Yeah. Alright. There's something in here. And then I can show you the two speakers. Here they are. There's just a brand new box as opposed to the blue microphone snowball. Microphone unboxing page was not in the box. I also got this on Amazon, and I'll leave that in the description. So, in here, you got the power supply, which powers up these speakers. You know what, I'll do that later, since I might make this video long if I do that now. So, I'll just take off the casing, or the packaging that is, not casing. So, I think there's some, yeah, there's some tape on the bottom. Just giving, those are just warning you for suffocation indications, which obviously I'm not an idiot, so I won't put this bag over my head. As I hope you won't either, as that's pretty dumb. You know what, I'm actually gonna cut this just to save time. Alright, so here's the first one. Wow, it looks really nice in person. I'm very happy for this purchase, as I don't think I've ever, these are some very nice desktop speakers. They're even portable, so they're not necessarily limited to desktop, which is very cool. So, let's see if I can get this unboxed too. Try to cut the tape and not the packaging itself. Let's see. They're under $30 if you're curious. So, they're actually very affordable speakers. Test sounding of this, but it's just going to take a little while, but I think that's going to end it. And this is the manual. Well, safety and product warranty, whatever stuff. And then the power supply is over here, but there's speakers. So, get this dial, which is your volume control. Change it up, all the way up. Now they're connected to each other probably because both of these work together. So this controls, this dial controls both of these speakers. So, and if when I take off that, you can probably move them to both sides or move them however you want. But I think that is going to end it for the unboxing of the Logitech Z200 speakers. So, hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, you'll see these in my setup. Well, you actually can't see my setup during my gaming videos, but... And you can't see this. Well, actually you can, I'll show it, but... Anyhow, that's it for the unboxing. So, thank you guys for watching. I can't 100% recommend them yet. I might do a review about these. I don't 100% know. But if you want to check them out, I'll leave the link in the description. It is on Amazon. You can probably find these at Best Buy. And you can definitely find this on Amazon. I got this for under $10. And I got these for under 20. Well, 30 that is. It was like $28. But that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I'm Striker the Foxer, and so long.